Hi there, so in this video we're going to talk about evaluating function expressions. And so we have two functions here on this graph. We have f and g. F is y equals f of x, which is this blue solid line on top. And then our g graph, our function g, is y equals g of x, which is this dashed bottom line in red. And so in order to solve this question that they present here, which is -9 times f of -4 minus 6 times g of x, we have to fill in the gaps, so to speak, here by finding out the numbers for f of -4 and g of 6. So for f of -4, we follow y equals f of x, and we want to look for the y value at x equals -4. So we'll go to x equals -4, and then we'll go up here, and it intersects with the line here at y equals 6. So this is really 6, and I'll rewrite the equation over here as we go. So -9 times 6, as we said over here, minus 6 times, and here's what we have to find out again. So g of 6. So now we're going to look at the other function, and we want to look for the y value at x equals 6. So x equals 6 is right here, and we're going to follow that up till it intersects with the line, and that's right here at y equals 4, so that's times 4. And so following the order of operations, we're going to split it up like this. And so -9 times 6 is -54. And then -6 times 4 is -24. And then we end up with a final value. After we subtract that, we get -78. And that's our final answer for this problem. Now let's look at another example. Here, again, our f function is y equals f of x in blue, the solid line, and our function g, which is y equals g of x, is our dashed red line here. And so, again, we're filling the gaps in again, so I'll write out our new equation as we go. 10 times f of 3, and so we want to look for f of 3, so we're going to follow the blue line. So we look at x equals 3, and we want to see where it intersects with our blue line, and that's at y equals 8, so this is 8 minus 3 times g of -1. So we're going to look for x equals -1 here, and we're going to follow it up till it intersects with our dashed red line, which is our g function. And so that gives us a y value of 6. So this is times 6. And so again, we split these two up by following the order of operations. We'll multiply first, so we get 80 minus 3 times 6, which is 18. And then so from here, we get, we'll subtract 18 from 80, and we'll get 62. And that's our final answer.